Hi, my name is Muhammad Hassan. I'm an AI automation specialist with a strong background in cybersecurity and smart contract auditing. For the past 3 years, I have worked as auditor on Corporina and Showrock with the overall 100 submission. During that time, I identified multi-high severity and medium severity vulnerabilities, ranking top 100 overall in 2022, and even placed first for several QA reports in auditing contests. Before that, I worked as Web 2 bug bounty hunter on HackerOne and background discovering serious issues like XSS, SQL injection, and business logic flaws, domain takeover, and information disclosure for companies such as Sony, AT&T, and several financial platforms. My work helped me strengthen security by finding critical weaknesses before they could be exploited. I also come from a strong IT background with the experience in web development since 2014 and iOS development using Xcode and certificate from Google IT support and digital marketing. Now I combine all of this experience to help businesses to automate their workflow using modern AI tools like ChatGPT, N8N, and Zebra and Make. My goal is to build rapidly secure and efficient automation that save time and help your business scale. If you're looking for someone who understands the both technology and security and can bring AI automation into your business with the confidence and clarity, I would love to work with you. Thanks for watching.